doing the 1 gallon slime glue challenge. Now, we're not gonna actually be making 1 whole gallon of slime. We're going to be using a tiny bit of that, and we're gonna be using one of these glues. Picking blindfolded. As you guys know, I did this challenge with my mom, but today I'm gonna do it with 2 different guests. I'm gonna do it with my sister, Devin, and I'm also going to do it with my grandma. She's coming here. She's gonna be here for 2 weeks, so we're gonna do a lot of fun challenges with her. And so the colors that we have are we have purple, glitter, blue glitter, metallic blue. Ooh, I like that. Me too. Metallic pink. 2 actually. We have 2 of these. 2 blue to purple colored shaping slimes. Glow in the dark blue. And glow in the dark blue. And these are yellow and pink. And then we have one other color changing slime. Color changing blue. Yellow to red. And then we got shaving foam. This is gonna be the run without shaving foam. Shaving cream, whatever. Glitter, which as you guys know, my mom picked glitter. And it turned out to be a little fail. And then we got the flower beads. So let's just wait for the school bell to start their challenge. So just listen for that school bell. Okay guys, so there's the school bell. So let's get started with our challenge. We got this, and we got spoons right here.
Everybody needs a couple of spoons, so
now you probably only need one. Anyway, so me and Devin are gonna do rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Now I'm gonna do rock, paper, scissors, shoot with you. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Okay, so she won, so she gets to pick first. You gotta close your eyes, and then you get to pick, and you have to pick at random one of those. Okay?
Okay.
So I'm gonna mix it up. Okay? Is that the one you wanted?
Yeah.
Okay, now I get to go. You can mix it up.
mix it up.
Mix it up.
Yeah, mix
Put
it
it
up.
in my bowl.
No, mix the
Oh,
stuff up.
okay.
This one. Ooh, I got the pink metallic. Okay, now we're gonna mix it up for Devin. Okay, Devin?
I get the purple glitter.
Too short.
This one.
Ooh, I got the blue metallic blue. I just grabbed the 2. Okay, now we're going to make it. We're going to use a little bit of this. And we're going to use a lot of what we have. Yeah, not all of it though.
Let me see.
Okay.
No, can I see?
No. But, I mean, oh well. I don't know what Devin's doing. She's doing something different.
Did you turn the spoon?
Okay, so this is what mine looks like right here. It's really pretty. I really like the color of this.
I can't even see my face.
Yeah, she's kind of like over there. Feed herself. Just like scoop me over. Oh, whoa, look at that.
No.
Oh, wow, this is really pretty.
Yours is really dark.
Okay, what's next? Now, let's get the activator. In 3, 2, 1. Whoa, there we go. Got my boric acid. Borax. The carbon solution, and I got baking soda. And look, there's another one over here too. Okay, that's cool. Now let's activate. Do you want to use borax or do you want to use carbon solution?
I'll use contact solution.
Okay, that goes with the baking soda.
Okay. And how much do I use?
Good amount. Just use a little bit at a time, and then I'll eventually get that. I'm honestly don't.